Hello, so in today's video I'm going to be talking you through how to set up and optimize your Instagram bio in 5 minutes or less. When you think about it, your Instagram bio is basically the most important real estate you have on Instagram. If anyone sees your posts on the Explore page, or they see your stories, or you come up in a hashtag search, for example, once they click on your post, the only next step for them in order to gain more of a connection with you as a business and as a brand is to click through to your profile. And right there at the top of your profile is your Instagram bio. So do not forget about what prime real estate this is. Hi, my name is Anna. If you are new here, I am a designer and online educator at by Rosanna Design, and I also share lots of marketing, business, and specifically Instagram, Pinterest, email marketing tips here on my YouTube channel. So if you like all that kind of stuff, don't forget to hit the like button on this video and click subscribe for more. So let's kick off with the very first thing that we see on our Instagram bios, and that is our name. Now, when you do set up an account or you go to edit your profile, you can see that you can edit your name in there. And lots of people might think, okay, I'm just going to put my business name, or I'm just going to put my first name, or my first name and my last name. What you can actually do on Instagram, which is really cool, is actually include some keywords in your name, and that will help you to get your account found when people search for those keywords on Instagram. So for example, rather than just having my name on Instagram as by Rosanna or just Anna, I have included the keywords websites and branding in my name there. And those are basically keywords that I would be interested in getting found for if people were to type them in on the Instagram Explore and search page. So have a think about the types of words that you would like people to be able to find your account for. Maybe it's something like travel blog or silk scarves, or something that's really specific to what you do and that people might actually be searching for. Now, you do only have a limited number of characters in your name, so unfortunately you can't make it really long, and you probably wouldn't be able to fit in a location and a business set of keywords in there. For example, website design in Cornwall or website design in London. You probably wouldn't be able to fit that in along with your business name, and you do really want to make sure that you do have your business name in there too, so that you get found when people are actually searching for your business, which is clearly very important. So another example, on my lifestyle blog, I could have just kept my name as being Anna, but instead of doing that, I have also included The Cornish Life, which is the name of my blog, and it also includes the keywords Cornish blog on there. So that's really important for me getting found as well. So once you've done that, we're getting to the actual description part of your bio. Now, the important thing to think here is that when people are landing on your profile, you have got a split second to grab their attention and help them decide whether or not they want to follow you. So you need to make sure you're being really clear about exactly who you are, what you offer, and who you're offering it to. So again, if we have a look at my bio, I've written that I do Squarespace website design, and I've also talked about how I sell courses and specifically for creative freelancers. Now, you might see that some people put their business tagline in there, they might put something quirky in their description, but really if you want to grab people's attention and make them know straight away what it is your offer and whether you can actually help them or not, you really want to be quite literal in your description. So rather than an abstract kind of quirky tagline, writing literally what it is you do. So you create silk scarves, or you are a wedding photographer in London, or whatever it is you specifically do, and your location, if that is important and that matters, then you want to be including that in your description. And if you have space, including also who specifically your target audience is as well. And the final thing that you want to include in your Instagram bio is a call to action, actually telling people what to do next once they've followed you, once they've liked some of your posts and commented on your posts, and they actually are really enjoying your content and they want more from you. What should they do next? Now, if you're running a business, probably you want to direct them to your website so that they can find out more about you. And so you need to tell them that. So obviously include your website link. You can do that by going into your edit profile and adding in your website link there. That's really important. You can also add other contact options as well as a website. So you could add your phone number, you could add your email address there, and that will add a little button for people to be able to call you or find your address on a map if you're a physical location-based company, or give you a call straight from Instagram. So if you want people to be able to contact you in any of those ways, it's really important that you fill those in. But as well as just adding those links, actually write something in the description that entices people to click on your link. So for example, on my lifestyle blog here, I've got the read my blog and then a little emoji that points down to the link. So it's literally telling people to go and read it there. You could include something like download my freebie and then again point downwards, or use some kind of arrow or pointing finger emoji to point down to the link below, so that people know that that is exactly where you want them to go and what they're going to get out of clicking on that. So one quick tip as well, what I really like to do is include emojis in your description. Because you have only got a certain number of characters available to write in your Instagram bio, you run out of space pretty quickly, and a picture can tell 1,000 words. So if you are able to find an emoji that expresses something that you're trying to get across, maybe if you are a local holiday park and you want to get across the idea that you're very outdoorsy and fun, you might use some kind of trees or camping emojis to depict that, and you won't have to use any words alongside that in order to describe that. So then you can use your word and character space to say something else, like your location, for example. So it saves a bit of space there and is able to say some more things that maybe you can't fit in words. But also, if you can find ones that fit really well with your brand personality, then that's going to be a great way for you to get across more of your personality in your business. So those are my tips for optimizing your Instagram bio in 5 minutes or less. Please do leave a comment below and like this video if you enjoyed it and you found this helpful, or if you've got any questions at all. And remember, if you are interested in learning more about using Instagram strategically for your business, I have a completely free online course for you to join. There are 9 in-depth lessons for you to go through, all from optimizing your profile like this, using hashtags, writing captions, creating content using analytics. All of that is included for free in this course, and I will leave the link for you to sign up for that below in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you again next week.